everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Lowe's gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar, type in www.lowes.com and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of Lowe's. To redeem your gift card, you can easily do it during checkout with a product online. Go ahead and select a product that you'd like to shop, and once you find the product that you'd like to purchase, click on add to cart. Now to check out, click on the view cart button, and on the next page click on start secure checkout. During checking out with the product online, you need to go ahead and fill in your contact information, your pickup details, and billing address. To redeem or use your Lowe's gift card, click on this Add Lowe's Gift Cards button under Payment and enter your gift card number, which is available at the back of your gift card. Now, on the next field, enter your PIN code, which is available at the back of your gift card. If you want to save this card to your wallet, click on this little save button at the bottom and finally click on the apply button in order to apply your gift card with this purchase. That is how you can easily use Lowe's gift card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.